All right, I built a little breakout board here, and I have the wires coming in here to control everything. These tape head signals are more complicated than I thought. I'll take a close-up picture here. It's actually inside each one of those white sheaths. There's the shield, and then there's actually 3 wires, an orange, a red, and a black. And it's actually a center-tapped coil. And the black is the center, and we have the two windings of the coil in there, so it's fancier, so a lot more wires. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to turn the motor, and I'm going to monitor the tachometer and see if we get a signal out of the tachometer. So I'll hook up some volts here to the motor signal, which is here, and we are getting a sine wave out. So if I stop the motor, it goes down, start the motor, we get this sine wave, and of course there's a bunch of noise and stuff on it, needs filtering and stuff, but we are getting if I kind of drag it with my finger, you can see it gets longer. Yeah. Oops. I don't want to go. I'm gone off the end. Oh no, I've gone off the end. Shoot. What did I mean by that? All the tape is over there now, so I've got to restring the thing. Anyway, I guess it doesn't matter. We can just spin this one all we want now. I don't have to worry about it. Anyway, so we are getting a signal out here. If I change the voltage to the motor, you can see it slows down. So yeah, so the tachometer is working. That'll be easy to filter and clean up, and we'll use that in a feedback loop to create a constant accelerator, or a constant velocity. IMSAI dog, give me those cutters. Can I hand me those cutters? Okay. Oh, thanks. All right. Let's see. All right, so we have a system now. What I've done is I've used this little SIP board that I did a while back, if you remember. There's an actual little amplifier circuit, allows me to do surface mount parts. And so I used one of those LF412s, and I made a little amplifier here with a gain of 100. And that goes on to, the input comes from the coils, and I can move it to the different heads of the recorder, and then we can monitor that on the oscilloscope, and I can also play it through the speakers. And so let's get some voltage on the amplifier here. It's set up to be single-ended. Let's see here, let me turn on the power. All right, so we've got power going in, and let's see here. Let me show you that it's actually working. Let me turn my stereo on. All right. All right, let me disconnect the, okay, you hear the hum? And if I bring in here's a 100 kilohertz on this wire here. If I bring it over, it's got a lot of gain, right? A gain of 100, so you can hear that the amplifier is actually working. We'll put the head back on, so we're listening to just the head now. And so we can make the motor turn. All right, so here's the motor turning, and unfortunately there's nothing on this tape. It's just random noise, and there's no noise coming out of the speakers because it's just nothing on these tapes. So if there was anything classified on there, they're really good at erasing their tape, which I imagine they would be. So, yeah, it's just gone. I don't know if I'll ever get around to making this into a record device or not. Might be a long project, but anyway, it was fun. I gave it a try, gave it the college try, and yeah, there's just nothing on here. Oh well. It was fun though. I did enjoy using my little SIP board, but yeah, that's all she wrote about this this project. It's a cute conversation piece though. I do like it.